Good evening, everyone. I'm here to discuss the topic about emergent literacy knowledge as a continuum of development. Emergent literacy represents the beginning of the continuum of literacy development in child. Emergent literacy nagpresent siya sa kinahanglan sa pagkontinue sa develop sa bata. There are 5 parts represent emergent literacy. First, literacy development begins early in life and long before formal literacy instruction in school. Second, there is an interrelationship between oral language skills and written skills such that the skills develop concurrently and interrelatedly rather than in some consequence. In addition, children's cognitive development during early childhood is important to their literacy development. Third, the function of literacy are as important as the form of literacy. To the child, literacy develop in early childhood. Children active exploration of print within their environment and their social interaction with adults, especially with their parent. Within reading and writing concept provide important opportunities for adults to model literacy behaviors for children to learn. Fifth, there is variability for typically developed children in age and sequence of acquisition of emergent literacy knowledge and skills across the continuum of literacy develop. Based on my understanding, the 5 parts of emergent literacy is all about sa learning of child. For example, naay bata nga moskwela. So anhi na jud niya masugod og develop ang iyang skills or knowledge. The continuum suggests that as teacher, there is a need to early expose to printed materials and to constantly communicate with children to advance their literacy development. When children are read to the materials and represent before them, they begin to understand the process of reading, what letters look like, and when letter sounds are combined, they form words. Ang continuum nagsuggest nga dapat ang mga teacher is naa sila technique o unsaon nila pag constantly communicate ang mga bata. Ang teacher is mag-provide og printed materials kay para ang mga bata dali ra makarecognize og unsa nga letter ug unsa nga sounds. Timing of the emergent literacy stages. The emergent literacy stages is a period during which children acquired various literacy knowledge and skills, starting at birth and lasting until age 5 before entering school. This stages is based on reading readiness and it's expect to continue until school. According to Rainier, these stages, children dapat makuha ang knowledge and skill starting at birth, taman sa age at 5 sa di pa mo eskwela. These stages ga-focus on reading until mo continue ang bata sa pag-school. Perspective on the emergent literacy stages. Emergent literacy stages can be categorized into 3 perspective development components: and child and environment influence. Early platform focus on children. Conceptual understanding shifting to identifying component. Knowledge and skills. Recent framework acknowledge the complex interaction of child and environment values during the emergent literacy stages. There are 3 categories. First is perspective, a way of thinking about and understanding something. Second, developmental is the act of improving by expanding, enlarging, or repelling. Third, component, a part that combines with other part to form something.